wrapped around your finger. You're so beautiful and dangerous, hot and cold. Don't you see the light, boy? I could blow your mind, boy. Let me be your new toy. I do what I want and I get what I want when I want it. So I'm not gonna stop till I get what you got, till I got it. Till I deal with a boy like you. Got me lost, got me hooked. Now I'm so confused. This is so part of your plan. I don't really understand what to do with a boy like you.
Well, who would have thought that a waitress from Rowena would have had the balls to bust me out with my old 45?
And who would have thought that a farm boy from Toledo would outsmart the smartest lawman and walk out of there alive?
My name is gonna make the history books. Too bad I won't be here. I may have started out a small-time crook. In a year or two, I'll be as known as Chicago's Al Capone. Thanks to you, Bonnie, babe, I can make plans again. I got lots of reasons to keep living. It's true that love can set you free, and this world will remember me.
You go straight to Clyde, I wanna be in movies. I can't name one movie star who's doing robberies on the side. I know in my heart, babe, that Hollywood is calling. How can I be in the spotlight if we always have to hide?
We need some dough to get to Hollywood. One or two jobs should do.
But after that, we will be done for good.
Babe, when Hollywood gets hold of you, they'll be saying Clara who? Paramount, RKO. Every studio will be fighting over Bonnie Parker. So many offers to discuss. Yes, this world will remember us. No need to rush, everybody gets our autographs. Hell of a ride will be the words on our epitaphs.
Living legends, that's what we will be, and that's okay with me. Every place that we go, folks will turn their heads. They'll be hollering from Dodge to Denver. We are the pair that they'll discuss. Yes, this world will